Hello everyone, I'm Naveen and in this video I'll be walking you through my applied project. It's a Python-based honeypot I built to simulate malware attacks and analyze attacker behavior. The idea here is to create a fake SSH environment where any activity like logging attempts or shell commands is captured and logged, but in a completely safe and controlled setup. So here's a quick look at the project folder. Uh, we've got honeypot.py, the main script that runs the fake SSH session, and config.json, which holds all the fake login credentials, and log parser.py to read and summarize the session logs, and a folder for logs plus a README with setup instructions. It's a super lightweight setup, which only needs Python to run and no extra libraries. So when we go into honeypot.py, all right, right here. So first I'm importing JSON, datetime, and OS, all built-in Python modules. I'm using them to read, write config files, timestamp logs, and manage the directories. Next, we set up the directory where logs will be stored. If the folder doesn't exist, Python will create it. So then I'm loading the username and passwords from the config.json. This way, I don't hardcode credentials and I can change them easily later. And then, okay, now here the key part, the log event function over here. Every time something happens, a login attempt or a command or a logout, we capture it as a log with a timestamp and save it as a JSON file. Then we've got the simulate session where the fun starts. First, it prints the fake SSH welcomes message and asks for a username and a password. If the login match our fake credentials, we grant access and we can actually log that. The user can now type a fake shell command and we can record each one. Every command typed is printed like a real terminal would do, and it is logged. If they type exit or log out, the session ends, and that's logged too. If the login fails, that's also logged with a username and a password they tried. So finally, at the bottom, we can run the simulate session when the script is executed directly. And now let's quickly see it in action how the code actually works. So when I run the honeypot.py, it's going to ask me for the username and the password. So I'm just going to go ahead and give my credentials. So as you can see, once I'm in, I can type stuff like, let's say, and it's gonna execute it as well. Or I can also get and everything gets logged basically. So once I type exit and come out of it, it says that the session's closed. And now when I run the once I run the log parser, it's going to print out all the summary of the session in just along with the timestamp. So as you can see, here's the timestamp and here's the commands that I ran, and everything gets logged basically. So these are the previous sessions that I actually logged. There was also a login fail session which I attempted with a different password, which also obviously gets logged. So that's pretty much it. So what's the point of all this? The project gives you a basic honeypot setup to safely study how attackers behave in real security environments. And in real environments like honeypots, like carry are deployed to capture the malware payloads and command sequences. This simulation teaches the same principle, but without needing complex infrastructure or putting any systems at risk, which is this. You can even extend this project to detect brute force attempts replay sessions, or even analyze commands for known attack patterns. And that's it for my walkthrough today. I hope this gave you a clear picture of how the honeypot simulation works and how it can be a powerful learning tool for malware analysis and basically logging details. The code is clean, simple, and open to improvement. And that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching my demo.